Alright, how you going? This is the Feral Donkey back one more time for another update on Cyclone Jasper as it comes in off the coast of North Queensland on today, Wednesday the 13th of December 2023. And here it is, spinning off the coast. We're starting to feel the first impact of the first rain coming in off the coast. Currently sitting pretty well in line just north of Cape Tribulation, Bloomfield coast, out to sea there. The latest forecast maps come in. They're showing it pretty well come directly in and crossing at about Cape Tribulation. This afternoon, they're still showing as a Category 2. The whole time though it's been lower than what they've been predicting, so we'll hope that stays the case. At the moment, I still don't think it'll be a cyclone when it crosses the coast. It should just be maybe a Category 1, and we shall see, but it's definitely going to come in. Now, where are we? The Navy map shows it pretty well coming straight in from where it is now. They're really downgrading the wind speed though. Oh no, actually 65 knots here, so we'll still have a fair bit of wind to contend with on that southern side to 65 knots, which is still pretty significant. Significant wave heights dropped a bit. It was 25 feet yesterday, so swell's dropping as it comes in closer to shore and inside the reef. Would have been pretty big outside and outside the shelf yesterday, but inside it's never going to be too full on. Earth map tells a different story as usual. Here it is spinning off the coast, quite a lot of wind. Those red patches are bits up to about 100 k's an hour, so there is red patches inside there, so definitely strong winds. And then the rain, which is definitely the issue. We're starting to come in and see totals come in here. It's not really fired up yet still. When it comes in and hits this range, it's really going to fire up. But we're starting to see the first effects of that rain now. We probably had about 20 or 30 mils this morning. And we're sitting here just inland from Port Douglas, just on the edge of it. But Earth map does tell a different story when it comes to where it's going to cross the coast. And they are currently saying that this afternoon at 5 o'clock it will not have crossed the coast up here near Bloomfield, but it will be sitting just off the coast of Port Douglas, sort of Oak Beach between Port Douglas and Cairns. Looking pretty messy, definitely downgraded from this morning, but still with some solid wind on the other side of it. And then as the hours go by, just of the early hours of tonight, sort of flopping across the coast with a bit of form, maybe without a bit of form, but really parking itself just in that sort of Port Douglas area for a few hours before heading inland. And with it, a lot of rain. As you'll see, as soon as it hits the range, boom, the rain totals go up significantly, up to like 115 mils an hour, sort of 3 hours sort of thing. Just, directly to the southeast of the low. So there we go. So even if it turns into a tropical low and doesn't cross as a cyclone, we're still going to see 100 k an hour winds and at least heavy rain, like probably solid rain. And they will continue on throughout the week, as we'll see with the 3-day forecast coming in. That rain hits the coast and explodes and then just sets up and will rain for the next few days. You can't see the rain really stopping, so that's going to be the main issue. We're going to get flooding all over the place, and that will be the thing to deal with once the wind stops. Okay, so checking out now, we'll see what happens later. We'll report later once it's getting closer if we still have power. Alright, take it easy from the Feral Donkey.